subscribe our channel Gorgeous You and hit the bell icon also so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm showing how to make orange oil for face and body. This oil is considered as a boon for our skin. It not only lightens the skin tone but also treats blackheads, dead cells, acne, large open pores, blemishes, dark circles, wrinkles and dry skin very effectively. This oil is super light and thus gets easily absorbed into the skin. It lightens your skin remarkably if used regularly. It also lightens pigmentation, dark spots and brings a healthy white glow on your face and body. Now let's start preparing this magical skin lightening and brightening oil. Here I have taken almond oil, about 10 tablespoons, that is 100 ml of almond oil. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, thus helps to bring about skin fairness faster. I am using Badam Rogan. This is edible pure almond oil available in India. You can use any good pure almond oil. My second ingredient of this oil is orange peel powder. This is my homemade orange peel powder which I have made it from fresh orange peels. You can dry fresh orange peels for few days either in sun or in shade. Once dried, grind these peels to a smooth powder. I would suggest to use fresh orange peel powder to prepare this oil. Fresh powder will be more effective. As we all know, orange peels are packed with vitamin C, so this oil has the goodness of vitamin C. Thus acts as a skin lightening oil. This is rose water. I'll use this rose water to moisten the orange peel powder. Final ingredient of this gorgeous oil is saffron. Saffron can improve the dull, shallow complexion, irregular and patchy skin tone. Moreover, saffron strands are also used to achieve fairness and to lighten the skin complexion within few days. This amazing ingredient can make the skin glowy and luminous, which looks very attractive. Now heat a small pan and transfer 100 ml of almond oil into it. Now add orange peel solution into it. This is about 2.5 tablespoons of orange peel powder mixed with some rose water. Let it cook in this oil on a low flame till golden brown. Don't make it black. Stir it occasionally. Keep the heat at low. As you can see, it's done now. Switch off the gas. Let it cool down for few minutes. Strain this oil in any glass bowl. Add few strands of saffron into it. You can store this oil up to a month at room temperature in winters, and in summers you need to refrigerate this oil. Now I'll share with you how you have to use this oil. Apply a generous amount of this oil all over your body and face. Massage gently till it gets absorbed into the skin. It would be better if you apply this oil before taking a shower. Leave it on for about half an hour. At night, you can again apply 2-3 drops of this oil on your face and neck. Make sure your face is clean before applying this oil. Massage gently and no need to wash it off. Next morning, you will certainly feel the difference in your skin texture. And by using it regularly, you will get a lighter, brighter, flawless, crystal clear and radiant skin. I would suggest to keep it in your bathroom so that you won't forget to use it daily. Friends, I assure you, this oil works like magic. So friends, I hope you will certainly give it a try, and if any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you soon with another such useful DIY video. Till then, enjoy watching our channel and stay beautiful and healthy. Bye.